Pumasok din sa isip ko na magpakamatay. Nakatulog, and then bumangga ako sa Meralco na post. Yeah. Yung bubog doon, tumusok sa eyeballs ko. So,
pumasok?
Oo, wala na yung eyeball ko, kaya umiyak na ako nun. Lumabas ako ng kotse, kinupa ko yung kotse ko. Yun nga, basag, tapos hindi na ako makakita. At first, syempre, I'm still hoping na makakakita ako. Talagang yung mom ko nandiyan dyan, na wala makakakita, minomotivate ako. Pero pagdating ng mga 6 months after, yun na. Sabi ko, mukhang hindi. I have to prepare yung mind ko na nung una, first 3 months, makakakita ako. Pero nung after mga 6 months na, nag-deteriorate yung mata ko, pine-prepare ko na yung mind ko na hindi pumasok din sa isip ko na magpakamatay. Pero pumasok lang, nagdasal ako, sabi ko, hindi ko kaya na gawin yun. So, nag-prepare ako sa utak ko na pag hindi ako nakakita, anong gagawin ko? Parang ganun. Kinakausap ko yung sarili ko. Kasi born again Christian kami. So, yun nga, nagdadasal, kausap ko si Lord. Ganun. Ngayon, hindi na ako nag-church, pero I talk to Him regularly. I talk to Him as like a friend na nag-uusap kami, one-on-one. Ganun.
Pero the process was not easy. Matagal to.
Yes.
Bago mo in-accept ito na talaga yung faith mo.
Yes. Pero isa pa, sabi ko sa mind ko, na isa sa nagpapamotivate sa akin na 90% na wala. Na hindi ako nakakakita, dependent ako sa mga tao. Pero may 10% na pwede akong gawin sa buhay ko.
Yeah.
So why will I focus dun sa 90%? I have to focus dun sa 10% na kaya kong gawin.
Jerry, are you ready?
Yes. Let's go. I'm really excited to do this because of the adventure and the challenge that I'm gonna face conquering Mount Matulang.
Gustong-gusto ko rin siyang isama, kaya lang hindi ko sure kung paano ko siya alalayan sa bundok eh. So natakot ako. Until one of my friend, si Simon, sabi niya, sige, gagawin natin to. Kayang-kaya to ni Jerry. No? I haven't met a person more resilient than Jerry. No? He is stubbornly unyielding to the limitations that his handicap poses. Matigas ang ulo niya. No?
Goal was to prove that he can do what we can do. If it inspires other people, why not? It's a doable hike for Jerry.
It's going to be quite inspiring to see how far we've come physically and mentally.
Going to be a very good experience for them, and then it's going to be an inspiration for other blind and handicapped people to try out new things and explore
By him doing this, he's opening up hiking as an experience for other people with disabilities. So far, he's doing great, man. He's quick and he's fit and he's got a great attitude. So, props to the man.
So the closer your face is to the wall, you feel safer, pero reality, mas delikado yun.
Okay.
Kasi if you slip, hit your face.
Yes.
And then you might fall. Dapat, so parang medyo nakahiga ka ng konti.
Okay.
Parang lumang Batman and Robin, yung makabiti yung maano sa lalakad-lakad ka, ganon.
Okay.
So you're pulling yourself then, the same. So naglalakad ka. Kasi versus nakaganyan, what you're doing is yung arms lang nag-work.
Yes.
You're just pulling yourself, ganon, and then dudulas ka and nakakapagod yan dito. So, alternate lang, kamay, paa, ganon, pak. And may mga nuts siya. See?
Yeah.
Make sure you lock, yan, yung nut is under your hand. Hindi yung nasa gitna.
Yes.
Hindi ganyan, oo.
Okay.
So ganyan. Oo.
Nandito.
Nasa ilalim siya. Yun yung lock mo eh. So if it slips, fuck, it will lock. You have to lock it.
Okay.
Congratulations.